Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to change and customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A53, 53 and 73 with One UI 5.0. So let's do it. So here is my lock screen, and to change it or customize it, just push it long on him, and now draw unlock pattern. And this is the current lock screen, and from here you can change the wallpaper, very easy. These are the original wallpapers, and you can select the desired one. Also you can choose from your gallery. You can choose also a video if you want to put it as a lock screen. And we have here some graphical. We have colors, and also you can choose the wallpaper services, and this is suitable for a dynamic lock screen. You can choose from landscape plans and other things, and dynamic lock screen will be downloaded every 2 weeks. If you want, you can choose this option. And the last one, you can download the wallpapers or video wallpapers from the Galaxy themes. You will find here a lot of wallpapers. There are paid or free, and here there are the free. Just select the desired one. Let's say, for example, this one. Wait for a few seconds, and then just press apply, and this is how will look now my lock screen. Also from here you can change the clock. We have here some fonts for the clock. You can choose the desired one. I like this one. Also you can choose the style for the clock. You can put analogic clock or digital. Okay, I will let the first one, and also you can change the colors for the clock. I will let this one. Okay, and next you can choose from here the notifications. You can select icons only, like this one, or you can put it on details, and from here you can choose the transparency. This one looks very nice, and also you can auto reverse text color if you want. Okay, and let's go further. From here you can add the contact information, and this information will be shown on your lock screen. You can put your email address or your contact number if you lose your phone. I will not put here anything. And here you can put some shortcuts on your lock screen. I will put the flashlight, and also in the left side, let's see, I will put the camera. And after you've done these things, just press here on done. Okay, and now let's exit. And this is how will look now my lock screen. It is very nice. Okay, now I started the flashlight. To close, it is very easy, and also you can enable the camera from the lock screen. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next tutorial. Have a nice day.